All right, let's take a look at question number 1. Which of the following is equivalent to 16 plus 12 times 9? Equivalent means equal. And I see a plus sign and a dot. Remember, the dot means to multiply. So when I have multiple operations like that, I have to use my PEMDAS strategy to help me solve. Okay, now it's asking for the one that's equivalent. So basically what it's saying is solve this one and solve A, B, and C and find out which one is the same. They're looking for the one that when you solve it, you get the same number. Okay, so let's start by solving our first one to figure out what we're looking for. Now, not gonna lie, this problem has a lot of steps you'll have to do. So in this first situation, you don't have any exponents. So if you wanted to type this part straight into Desmos to kind of save you a little bit of work, that would be okay with me. When you get to the answer choices, you won't be able to do that because you have exponents, okay? So I'm going to work it out using the PEMDAS method. So I've got my PEMDAS written out to the side. Now I'm going to go through and circle what I have. Well, I see a plus sign and I see a multiplication sign. So I don't have to worry about parentheses or exponents or dividing or subtracting. So going in order, I see my multiplication goes first. So I have to do 12 times 9. Well, 12 times 9 is 108. And then I just rewrite everything. So I'm done with multiplication. There's none of that left. What I do have now is my addition. 16 plus 108, which is 124. I am looking for an answer choice that when I solve gives me 124. So let's take a look at each answer choice individually. Okay, let's start by solving answer choice A. Again, I see a plus sign, I see exponents, I see multiply, so I know I need PEMDAS to help me solve. Okay, I have exponents to solve, lots and lots of exponents. I have multiplication and I have addition. So starting from the top, I'm going to start with my exponents. Now there are a lot of exponents here, so we're just going to start at the left and work our way over to the right. So 2 to the power of 3. Remember, this 3 right here is our exponent, and that tells us how many lines to draw. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines. The big 2 right here, that's my base. That is the number that goes inside the lines. And then I just multiply. Now, you could go to Desmos and type this straight in. 2 times 2 times 2. I know that 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So I know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8. But again, if you did not know that, type it in your Desmos. Now, let's rewrite everything and keep solving. Okay, still not done with exponents, so let's just move on over to the next one. 2 to the power of 2. I have an exponent of 2, so I draw 2 lines. I have a base of 2, so I fill that in. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now I rewrite everything. Okay, almost done with exponents. We got to take care of this one. Again, I have an exponent of 2, so I draw 2 lines. My base is 3, and I multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. And let's rewrite everything. All right, finally, I'm done with those exponents. So let's keep going. What comes next? Multiplication. So I have 2 multiplications, right? I have this one right here and this one right here. So I'm going to start over here and work my way this way in order. Okay, not adding yet because I have to take care of this multiplication first. 3 times 4 is 12. And then I rewrite everything. Okay, still not done with multiplication. I've got 12 times 9, which is 108. And then I rewrite everything. Now I'm done with multiplication. And my last step is to add. 8 plus 108 is 116. But remember, I was looking for 124. A is not our answer because it did not give us 124, which is what we were looking for when we solved the 16 plus 12 times 9. So let's move on to answer choice B. All right, answer choice B has lots and lots of exponents. I see some adding and I see some multiplying, so I know I'm going to use my friend PEMDAS over here. And let's go through and circle what we have. We have exponents, we have multiplying, and we have adding. And let's start solving. We are going to start with the exponents. 2 to the power of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Plug in my 2's and multiply. Once again, you can type that straight into Desmos. But I know that 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Then I'm just going to rewrite everything. Okay, still not done with exponents, so let's keep moving. Take care of it. 2 to the power of 2, that means I have 2 lines. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. And then we rewrite everything. All right, last exponent. Let's take care of it. My exponent is 2, so I have 2 lines. My big number is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And I rewrite everything. Done with my exponent, so I keep moving. I've got to take care of my multiplication first. So we're going to go from left to right. We're going to start here. 3 times 4 is 12. Rewrite everything. Still not done with multiplication. I have to take care of this one. I have to take care of all multiplication before I can move on to adding. 12 times 9 is 108. And then I rewrite everything. Now I'm done with multiplication, so I can move on to adding. And that's actually my last step. So 16 plus 8 equals 124. Which is the answer I was looking for. So B will be my answer because it matches, it is equivalent to the answer we got when we did 16 plus 12 times 9. Okay, so in this case, we don't need to go on and solve C. It's a lot of steps, and I feel pretty confident that we've done it correctly and that B is our answer. Okay, there are other questions in this review that are similar to this. So when they're asking you for the one that is equivalent, you need to solve and then find the answer choice that when you solve gives you the same thing, just like I did here. Okay, and if you need to come back and watch this video, you can always do that.